When you think about a solid career, you want something that's always going to be in demand, right? Well, today we're going to break down a training program for industrial water treatment that claims to be a launch pad for a whole new profession. We're going to look at what it offers, who it's really for, and, whether it could be the right move for you. Okay, let's jump right in.
So here's the big question, right? Could a 3-day course actually launch a new career? I mean, it's a pretty bold claim. In a world where job security feels, well, a little shaky sometimes, the idea that just 3 days could set you up for the long haul is super appealing. So, can a short, intense program like this really deliver on such a big promise? Let's dig in and find out.
First things first, let's talk about the industry itself. We're talking about water treatment. This isn't just some growing sector. It's absolutely essential. Think about it. With all the new environmental rules and industrial growth, the need for people who know what they're doing with water is just exploding. This is a field that's built on a fundamental need, which means it is just ripe with opportunity.
And what's really cool are the different paths you can take after a training like this. It's not just one single job. You could become your own boss and start a new business. You could be a high-level consultant, the person with all the big ideas. Or maybe you're more of a hands-on person, an expert technician. Heck, you could run a whole plant, supply components, or manage an assembly unit. The possibilities are way broader than you might think.
So if those careers are the destination, who's actually providing the map to get there? Well, the organization behind this particular training is the Academy of Water Science, or AOWS for short. Let's take a closer look at who they are and what they're all about.
So AOWS positions itself as a real leader in the water industry. And their whole approach is pretty interesting. They're all about cutting-edge training that goes way beyond just the basic mechanics. They're trying to teach the bigger picture, how water, the environment, and society all connect. It's a much more, complete way of looking at things.
And this quote right here, this really gets to the heart of their mission. It's not just about teaching you how to fix a machine. It's about empowering people. Their goal is to build up a new generation of pros who can actually make a real positive difference. That's a pretty powerful why, if you ask me.
A program is only as good as the person teaching it, right? Well, the instructor here is Mr. M. Chandra, and he has 27 years of hands-on experience in this industry. We're talking about almost 3 decades of real-world problem solving. When you learn from someone like that, you're not just getting stuff from a textbook. You're getting that deep, practical wisdom you just can't find anywhere else.
All right, so what are you actually going to learn in these 3 jam-packed days? Let's get into the core curriculum and see what it covers. So the whole thing is basically built on 4 key pillars. You start with the fundamentals, the actual science of water. Then you dive headfirst into the tech, designing reverse osmosis, or RO, systems. That's where you use pressure to push water through a special membrane to get all the gunk out. After that, it's all about the practical stuff, troubleshooting, maintenance, the real nitty-gritty. And finally, they tie it all together with the business side, everything from getting licensed to using the latest auto control systems. It's really the whole journey, from science to sales.
This brings us to a really important question. Who is this training actually designed for? Is it for you? Let's take a look at the kinds of people they see as a perfect fit.
What's interesting is how wide the net is cast here. On one side, you've got the newcomers. Maybe you're a fresh graduate, a budding entrepreneur, or you're just looking for some skilled part-time work. But on the other side, you have the industry veterans, people who already own a plant and want to upgrade, or sales leaders who need to deepen their technical knowledge. So whether you're just starting from scratch or you're looking to level up your existing skills, it seems like there's a place for you here.
But what happens on day 4? After the training is over? Well, it doesn't just stop at the classroom door. Let's look at the support system they've built to help you succeed long-term.
Now this is a really big deal. Graduates get a full year of dedicated support. A whole year. That is huge. They'll ping you about job openings and even give you guidance on setting up your own business. And get this, the certificate is secured with blockchain technology, so it's super easy to verify. It just goes to show they're thinking about your entire career journey, not just a 3-day course.
All right, let's get down to brass tacks. When is this happening? Where is it happening? And what's the investment look like? So the next session is set for February 13th to the 15th, 2026. It's a 3-day deep dive, and it's all happening in Kolkata.
To be specific, it's on Park Street, and the days run from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. They also throw in tea and lunch, which is nice, because it means you can just stay totally focused on learning.
Okay, let's talk numbers. The pricing is set up in tiers, with different options depending on whether you need a place to stay or not. You can see the standard rate, but what you really want to pay attention to is that pretty significant discount for signing up early.
And that early bird discount is not small potatoes.
It's a full 5,000 rupees off the standard price. So if you're serious about this, planning ahead could make a real difference to your wallet.
And that brings us back to where we started, with a bigger question. We've just looked at one specific course in one specific industry, but it makes you think, doesn't it? In a world that's changing so fast, is getting deep, specialized expertise in an essential field, is that the ultimate form of career security? Something to think about.